Welcome to our review of the vintage manual typewriter spool ribbon in black ink, specially designed for Royal portable typewriters. Before we dive in, please note that the link to purchase this product at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below, so be sure to check it out for an exclusive deal. This ribbon features a classic 2-inch spool diameter and a 1/2-inch width, making it an ideal replacement for your vintage Royal typewriter. Its design perfectly complements the nostalgic aesthetic of your machine, preserving the authentic look and feel of manual typing. One of the standout qualities of this spool ribbon is its reliability. It uses high-quality black ink that delivers crisp, clear impressions on paper, bringing back the charm of traditional typing. The ribbon is easy to install, allowing you to quickly replace old or worn-out ribbons without hassle. This makes it a practical choice for anyone looking to maintain or restore their vintage typewriter. Pros include its perfect compatibility with Royal portable models, the smooth and consistent ink quality, and the ribbon's ability to enhance the vintage appeal of your typewriter. Additionally, the customer service is attentive and committed to ensuring satisfaction, which adds peace of mind to your purchase. On the downside, since this is a vintage-style product, some users might find the ribbon less durable compared to modern printing technologies, requiring more frequent replacements. Also, it's specifically tailored for certain Royal models, so compatibility with other typewriters may be limited. Overall, this vintage manual typewriter spool ribbon is a great choice for enthusiasts and collectors who want to keep their Royal typewriters in excellent working condition while enjoying that authentic typing experience. Don't forget, the link to purchase this ribbon with a special discount is pinned in the first comment at the top of this review. Check it out and bring your vintage typewriter back to life.